Chief. That's 16 points. What?
This reminds me of that guy Rick Derris who used to call everyone Chief all the time. Oh my God, did you hear he wrote a book?
No. What's it about?
Dating advice.
How did you even find out that he wrote a book?
He's doing these paid ads on YouTube.
I'm honestly surprised that guy can even read. Plus, who the fuck would want to fuck Rick Derris?
I fucked him once. Hey, JACKHAMMERED. 37 points, baby.
Why?
He had cable.
How come we went out as long as we did?
You had cable.
So, how was it?
Fucking Rick Derris. Disgusting. You wanted to do weird shit with a hockey stick. Not that hockey stick. It was like 20 years ago.
Well, I bet it's a real page turner.
I've actually got a copy.
He must have made quite the impression on you.
I had to.
So is it any good?
Don't know. I haven't read it yet.
Who would give that guy a publishing deal?
Self-published. You gotta have a look.
The whole back half of this is just an aerobics and free weights workout program.
What's the dating advice?
This chapter reads, Black Trans Am.
Oh my God, I remember his black Trans Am. That was more uncomfortable than the back of the Volkswagen. Here, give me a look. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
Never trust a woman in pink. Steer clear of any woman who beats you in Scrabble. She's a liar. This is all about me.
Never waste your time on a bitch who's obviously in love with her ex, even though she repeatedly says she's not. Who's your ex?
Who do you think?
I don't know. Shannon Hamilton?
Am I at Shannon Hamilton's house playing Scrabble at 1 a.m. on a Friday night?
No, I don't have a cable subscription anymore, right?
Oh my God. These are the last of my letters and...
No. No. Fuck this. I fucking hate Scrabble.
Oh, you want to play something else?
What do you have in mind?